In this guide, we're going over how you can get Shattered Gold here on the MXR-17 in Black Ops 7. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, go ahead and go into the gunsmith and specifically go into the customize tab and the camo tab right here, and then go into the multiplayer section, and you're going to see all of your requirements in order to get Shattered Gold. Now, the military camos, which is going to be these first 9 camos right here, are pretty simple. They're going to be the same for every single one of them, and it's 80 headshots with whatever assault rifle it is. So in this case, it's the MXR-17. I recommend playing objective-based game modes in order to knock these out. Something like hardpoint, domination, with this a clear objective for the other team to go into, camp outside of that area for a little bit, knock out your headshots. Obviously use a scope if you can, it makes it a little bit easier. Or not, if you don't prefer one, it's completely up to you. That is personal choice. But essentially, camp outside those objectives, get those 80 headshots knocked out, and then we can move on to the special camos, which is going to start off with Diamondback right here, which you're going to have to use 5 or more attachments equipped and get 50 elims with this. This is pretty easy to go ahead and knock out, in my opinion. Just attach your attachments, take off your secondary if you need to, and get some easy eliminations. Once again, objective-based game modes is the way to go with this kind of challenge right here. But moving on to Raptor, we're going to have to get 30 kills while or shortly after sprinting with the MXR-17. Playing shorter maps helps a lot with this. Something like Hijacked or Nuketown, when that does come out, is going to help you out a lot with this one right here. So go ahead and just play those maps. Once again, I do recommend objective-based game modes for this. This is super easy to knock out on objective-based game modes. So go ahead and hop on those and grind this challenge out. Moving on to mainframe though, you need 20 kills with the underbarrel launcher attachment equipped. This one is absolutely perfect for hardpoint or domination, for example. I think it's the best on hardpoint, but domination is a good second. Essentially, wait for the enemy team to run into the hardpoint, for example. Pull out that underbarrel attachment, shoot it in there. This also does work really well on smaller maps. When Nuketown releases, B zone on Nuketown is going to be absolutely perfect on domination for this challenge right here. But obviously, Nuketown is not out yet, so try and get in something like Hijacked, because this is a good challenge to knock out on Hijacked domination or Hijacked hardpoint. Finally, moving on to Shattered Gold though, this is 3 kills without dying 10 times. This one is arguably the hardest. I really don't think it is. I honestly think the headshots is the hardest one. Once again though, just play objective-based game modes, kind of camp outside of the objectives, and be safe. Obviously, you don't want to die too much, but you will probably knock this one out a lot quicker than the headshots. It is pretty easy, and then you could get yourself a pretty nice looking Shattered Gold weapon right here. If you guys do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. Lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.